I think what we're seeing is that even when the smartest people in our country are saying there's some danger in this thing, money talks. I'll leave it there. It's a sad state of statements, but I want to just name, we as parents still have the bottom line. We pay the bills. You pay the bills. So no matter what everyone else is doing, no matter what the friend down the street is doing, you are the breadwinner paying the bills. And until your child or son understands that that's just the way the world works, you're gonna be an adult one day, you're gonna get to make your own decisions. You're not there yet, I'm making the decisions. Some I'm gonna negotiate with you, some I'm not, but those are the opportunities that, and I know that I've been in many places where there's a lot of negotiations. And so if you have some things that these are the places we negotiate, and these are the things that we won't negotiate, these are non-negotiables, then you get to be saying, I know you're gonna be upset. And that has to be.